Woodpeckers machine shop is hard at work manufacturing the one-time tool ClampZILLA and ClampZILLA Jr. And work begins on the powder-coated steel H-pads at a CNC mill. Next, the clamping arms of both the ClampZILLA and ClampZILLA Jr. are laser cut out of stainless steel. The parts move on to the time saver for cleanup and deburring. Then they are brush sanded for a smooth finish. The Acme threaded screw and Acme pivot bushing are turned over at our lathe department. Here, the pivot bushing is turned out of brass. The Acme threaded screw is turned out of stainless steel. After turning, the parts are hand inspected by the lathe operator for tolerance. Work will continue on the ClampZILLA and ClampZILLA Jr., and shipping will begin soon. If you missed out, be sure to place an order by Sunday, August 23rd. We'll be sure to get working on your new tool.